Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's vlog, I'm going to introduce to you my personal product, my own product of scented candles. So today I made two scents. Okay? So lavender and lemongrass. I'm gonna show you my lavender and lemongrass. I'll show you my lavender. This is my favorite scent. Oh my god. Really, really good smell. So this is our lavender. If you wish to order, you can DM me because I'm selling this all over the world. Okay, so lavender, and I also have lemongrass, my favorite. I supposed to make jasmine scent, but I ran out of materials. Okay, lemongrass. Ang bango nito, grabe. Ang bango nito. Hindi ko siya nape-perfect pa yung paglagay ng mga anik-anik detay. Pero yung smell niya ay really perfect. So if you wanted to have and wanted to try, you can DM me. You can DM me. Do not hesitate to DM me. Bakit mahilig ako sa scented candles? It makes me feel relaxed when I'm feeling not okay. So if I cannot sleep at night, I lit lavender. And if I want just my mood to be good the whole day, I light lemongrass or whatever scent that is available. Today, I'll show you. Today while I'm while I'm cooking and making my smoothie, I lit I think it's jasmine that I used today. Why? Pag nagluluto ka kasi para mawala yung amoy, even though we have like exhaust, gusto ko pa rin wala talagang bakas na nagluto ako. So when I go out and come back, pag open ko ng door, mabango. 'Di ba? So yun. I'll show you para makita niyo na talagang ginagamit ko. So ayan siya, oh. Ay, bango. Hindi, ayan. So nung matapos kong magluto, pinatay ko na para makatipid. Ito ay aromatic candles, scented candles. Ayan yung pangalan, no? LG. Diba? Meron siyang dito. Siyempre, iba yung price niya kaysa sa maliit. Okay? Thank you.